builders. This video I'm going to do my rear shocks. It's about time. Not sure how old they are, but it's getting a little rough for the ride. So I'm going to start with taking off the 14 mil nuts. You're going to need an adjustable wrench and 14 mil. Once you get it started, wrong way. So now I'm going to do the same thing with this side. So in the very back of the trunk, you have a cover here and here. You want to take those off. It worked. Pull your bushing and your washer out. I like to hang on to these till the end just in case. You don't know if they're missing in the kit. Wow, 2 for 2. All right, when you get to this part, you got to push up and move it out. There you go. So the shocks I got are XLG KYB shocks. Here's the part number. So before you put your shocks on, you want to put your washers on, just like that. And that side, and you want it facing this way so dirt doesn't get inside, because if you have it flipped up the other way, obviously dirt's going to get inside. So all right, stick it up through the top hole. Take your bottom set of washers. There's the underneath on that one. We're going to go to the other side. Take that one out. Same thing, you just push up and pull out. Throw your other set of washers and bushings. Throw your lock nut on if your kit has one. What is going on? Now I'm going to put my bushing on. There's that one. I'll put my washer on. There's that. Bushing, washer, don't forget to throw your caps back on.